Literals are the variables. We used to call it the variables, where the variables may be complement or it may be non-complement. In midterm, if the variable is complement, then it assigns to 0. If the variable is non-complement, then it assigns to 1. When we have only two variables, then it is M0. Compulsory for midterm, you have to write in small letter. If it is max term, then you have to write in capital M. When all the three variables are 1, what is the designation? M7. Welcome back to One and All. Myself, Vasanta, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, Pre-University College, Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. Today, we are going to start with the 6th session of Boolean Algebra chapter. Whereas in the previous class, you have studied regarding what do you mean by De Morgan's theorem, then how to prove De Morgan's theorem, the problems on De Morgan's theorem, that is how to solve the equation by using De Morgan's theorem, as well as applications of De Morgan's theorem, where exactly we are using this De Morgan's concept. These are the things already you have studied in the previous class. Whereas on today's class, you will come to know what do you mean by Boolean expression, literals, min term, how to find min term for a given expression, then what do you mean by shorthand notation, as well as problems on min term, how to solve the equation, how to find the min term for the given equation. All those things you will come to know today. Now, one by one we will discuss. Whereas when we come on literals, literals are the variables. We used to call it the variables, where the variables may be complement or it may be non-complement. For example, A is a variable. If that A variable is a complement or it may be non-complement. If it does not have any bar, then it can be called as non-complement. If it is contained bar, then it can be called as complement. Where literals are the variables, or the variables may be complement or it may be non-complement. For example, X is a variable, that is also literal. Y bar is also literal, Z is also literal, where literals is nothing but variables, where the variables may be complement or it may be non-complement. It has two important terms, one is min term as well as one more is max term when we come on literals. Now one by one we will explain. Whereas min term is a product of all the literals. What do you mean by product then? If you have dot operator, then it can be called as product. For example, if I am having A dot B dot C, then it can be called as min term. It is a product. See, in between we have dot operator. See, if you observe here, we have dot operator. Then it is a min term. Min term is a product. If you don't have any dot, A, B, C, then also it is called it as min term, because if it does not have any dot in between, then also it is considered as a product only. Whereas min term is a product of all the literals, where the literals may be complement or it may be non-complement. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ A, B, C we have. For example, here I am having bar A bar B, C. If the variable contains bar, that is complement, then it is assigned to 0. B and C, we does not have any complement, then it assigns to 1. Now, is it clear? For example, one more I will write. A bar, B bar and then C. If you have bar, then it assigns to 0. Here B bar, then 0. Bar, C, we does not have any bar, then it assigns to 1. In min term, if the variable is complement, then it assigns to 0. If the variable is non-complement, then it assigns to 1. See here, if the variable in min term, if the variable is complement, then it assigns to 0. See, A bar, then it will assign to 0. If the variable is non-complement, it means that if the variable does not contain any bar, then it assigns to 1 here. For example, X, Y bar, Z we have. Only for Y we have bar, that's why the output become 1, 0, 1. Consider the second example, X bar, Y bar, Z. Then X bar as well as Y bar both are bar, that's why here 0, 0. And Z does not contain any bar, that's why it is assigned to 1. Now is it clear? Like this, you have to mention the min term. Min term is a product of, main word you have to use, product of all the literals, where the literals may be complement or it may be non-complement. In min term, if the variable is complement, then it assigns to 0. If the variable is non-complement, then it assigns to 1. Now is it clear? Next, we will explain how to find the min term as well as the designation for that min term. Now, for example, consider we have two variables, then x, y. 2 variables. That's why totally 4 combinations we are getting. 00, 11, 01, 01 will write. Then here 0, 0 we have, that's why x bar, y bar. That's the min term for that values. Then 0, 1, x bar, y, 1, 0, x, then y bar, 1, 1, x, y we are getting. When both the variables are complement, when we have only 2 variables, then it is m naught. Compulsory for min term, you have to write in small letter. If it is max term, then you have to write in capital M. Then only for the first one, if you have bar, then m1. Only second one, if you have bar, then it is m2. If the both variable is non-complement, then it assigns to m3. m1, m0, m1, m2, m3. Like that, you have to identify the min term. Min terms. In min terms are represented by small m. Max term are represented by capital M. Now, you come to know the designation for 2 variables. Now, we'll explain how to find the designation as well as min term for 3 variables. For example, 3 variables means totally I'm going to get 8 combination. 3 variables means 8 combination, 2 to the power of 3. That is 8 combinations we are getting. Out of 8, 4 zeros, 4, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 0, 1, 0, 1 alternative we will write. Now, while finding the min term, all the 3 are 0. That's why x bar, y bar, z bar. Now, here only for z, it does contains 1. Then x bar, y bar, z. Only for y it is 1. Only y is bar, without bar, and x and z have bar. First one is x bar, y, z. Then x, here 2 zeros we have y bar, z bar. Here 1, 0, 1. Only for y it is bar. Now 1, 1, 0. Only for z it is bar. 1, 1, 1 does not contain any bar. It means that whenever you have bar, then it writes 0. Whenever we does not have any bar, then it assigns 1. Now in the same way, designation. First one, when you have 3 zeros, then it is m0. To remember that here 3 zeros, then it is m0. 0, 0, 1, then m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, m7. Like that, we can able to identify the designation for any given min term. Next, we will tell you how to find the min term expression. If I want to find any min term expression, then first I have to convert the given expression to SOP form. That is very important. What do you mean by SOP form? Sum of product. Sum of product. For example, ABC plus BCDC, whatever may be the variable. In between, we need 2 parts we have, whereas in the center part, we need plus. It is sum of. Then product. Here in between, we have dot operator. That is product. Must and should you have to convert the given expression into SOP form. Then substitute missing variable plus missing variable complement. Whichever variable is missing there, that variable you have to substitute. Where missing variable plus missing variable complement. Then expand the expression. Then to get final result, remove the duplication. Only 4 steps. First step, you have to convert that into SOP form. Then afterwards, substitute missing variable plus missing variable complement. Then expand the expression. Then remove the duplicate to get the min term expansion. In the same way, if I want to find the shorthand notation, then substitute the corresponding 0 and 1 value. Then find the designation to get the shorthand notation. Now we'll explain one by one. For example, find the min term and shorthand notation for the given expression. Consider the given expression yz plus x bar y. Then from this, I can identify how many variables here we have. X is there, y is also there, z is also there. Whereas in first part, which variable is missing? X variable is missing. Whereas in second part, z variable is missing. Now, I can write on the place of x, can I substitute 1? 1 I can write. 1 yz plus here z is missing. That's why x bar y 1 I'm going to write. Because if I'm going to multiply with that variable by 1, then no changes. That's why here I have to take it as 1. Now, I have to substitute missing variable. That is here in the first part the missing variable is x. Whereas in second part the missing variable is z. Substitute missing variable plus missing variable complement. On the place of 1, I can write x plus x bar. X plus x bar, that is a pretty complementarity law statement. On the place of 1, I can substitute 1 plus x bar into yz. Whereas here, x bar, y, z plus z bar. Now is it clear? Next, expand the expression. Once again, expand this. First, I am to multiply with this one, and then next one I am to multiply by this one. Then what is the result? X, y, z plus next x bar, y, z. Next, in the same way, multiply with this one time and another time with the another part. That plus x bar, y, z plus x bar, y, z bar. That is, we have done the third step also. We expanded the expression. Whereas, you already come to know missing variable plus missing variable complement we are done. Then we expand the expression. Then afterwards, whatever the common thing is there, that you have to remove here. See, the fourth step, drop out the duplicate terms. Here, in this, just observe x, y, z. Only one time here we have, write down that x, y, z. Then just once again observe. Here x bar, y, z. Here also x bar, y, z. Then here, these two are repeated 2 times. We have to remove the duplication. Plus x bar, y, z. Then here, the remaining thing, plus x bar, y, z bar. This is nothing but min term notation. Each part contains all the 3 variables. That is x, y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Now it is in min term form. Min term form. In the question, if they are going to give, find the min term only if you write this is enough for that. If they are given, find the min term for the given expression. If they are going to ask, find the shorthand notation for the expression. Find the shorthand min term notation. Then you have to convert this equation. Already in min term, you come to know that if you don't have bar, then it is assigned 1. Here, 1, 1, 1. Second part, x bar, y, z. Bar we have, that's why 0, 1, 1. Here also x bar, y, z bar. X bar means here 0, 1, 0. Now is it clear? Now, find the designation. How to find the designation? See the table? Here 3 variables. When all the 3 variables are 1, what is the designation? M7. Now write on that. That is small m7. Okay, now 0, 1, 1 we have. See the designation 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 here, that is M3. Then write down M3. 0, 1, 0. See the designation 0, 1, 0, that is M2. Now write down the M2 value. Now is it clear? Then M7, M3 and then M2. Now is it clear? Then to find the shorthand notation, this is the min term. To find the shorthand notation, just replace all the variable by zeros and ones. Then find the designation. Then whatever thing result you get, that write down sigma small m of. Write down all the values in ascending order. That is 2, then 3 and then 7. This is the result of this expression. In the question, if they are going to give only min term, then if you write this is enough. In the question, if you write down the shorthand notation for the given expression, especially min term, then this is the final result. Now is it clear? Next, we will explain one more problem. Find the min term and shorthand notation for the given expression. The expression we have a b bar into b bar plus c bar. But what is my first step? If you go to the step, convert the given expression in SOP form. See, is it in SOP form? It is not in SOP form. It is in product of some format. That's why what we have to do, we have to convert that into SOP form. For that, I am going to substitute a b bar plus a b bar c. Now it is in sum of product form. Now here b bar 2 times we have, then a b bar plus a b bar c. Now 2 parts here we have. Here only one variable is missing, c, and here all the variables are present. That is a b bar and then c. Everything is present. That's why now a b bar into 1 plus a b bar into c. Now here a b bar Now C plus C bar. Substitute missing variable plus missing variable complement plus A B bar C. Now distribute A B bar C plus A B bar C bar plus A B bar C. Now just remove the duplication. See, first and last both are contains the same values, that is A B bar C. Now write down A B bar C. Remove the duplication. Next A B bar C bar. Okay, now this is the min term form because all the parts contains all the variables A B C. Now to find the shorthand notation, here write down variable does not contain complement, then 1 0 1 plus here 1 00. Now what is the designation? 1 0 1. Just see here 1 0 1. Then see here 1 0 1. That is nothing but M5. Here now we will write M5 1 00. That is M4. Then to represent that in shorthand notation, sigma small m of 4, 5. This is the shorthand notation for the given expression. Now is it clear? Next we will solve one more problem. Find the shorthand as well as min term notation for the given expression AB plus C. These are the variables. Then in the first case, only one variable is missing, C. Whereas here in the second case, A and B, both the variable are missing. That's why I write down A, B. Missing variable plus missing variable complement. Now, whereas in the second part, A plus A bar, B plus B bar into C. Missing variable plus missing variable complement. Then substitute A, B, C plus A, B, C bar. Now here, distribute this equation. A, first I am going to substitute with this one as well as this one. A, B, then C. A, B, C. Next plus A, B bar, C. Next take on the second part. A bar, B, C plus A bar, B bar, C. Now, after distributing, remove the duplication. When you see the duplication, here ABC, here also ABC, can I write one time? Next, only for C bar? No. I am going to complete the second part, A, B, C bar. This already we have written. Only for B bar, A, B bar, C plus. Only for A bar? No. Then A bar, B, C. Last one, A bar, B bar, C. This is min term notation. Now, shorthand notation 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus here 1, 0, 1 plus here bar we have 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 1. See, just replacing. Here does not have bar, triple 1. Here only for the last one that is bar 0, center one 0, first one 0 and first two zeros there. Now, find the designation. When you have 3 times 1, what is the value? See the designation here. When you come on 3 times 1, that is M7. Write down M7. Double 1 0. Double 1 0. That is M6. Write down M6. Here 1 0 1. That is M5. 1 0 1. That is M5. Write down M5. Plus 0 double 1. 0 double 1. That is M3. Write down M3. This is M1. Now, write down the shorthand notation. Sigma small m of. First, I am going to write 1, then 3, 5, then 6, and then 7. This is the shorthand notation for the given expression. Now, is it clear? Next, I am going to give only one expression, that is x plus y. Find min term only. Then, in the first part, we have x, and the second part, we have y. Then x, y plus y bar, plus here x is missing, x plus x bar into y. Now, distribute the given equation, xy plus xy bar plus xy plus x bar y. Now, remove the duplication. These two are same, xy plus xy bar plus x bar y. Now, this is the shorthand notation because each part contains all the variables. Because here only x and y we had, Here xy, here also xy, here also we have xy. This is nothing but min term. In the question, if they are going to ask min term, then only this is enough. If they ask find the shorthand notation, then replace all these values by 0 and 1. Find the designation also. Now is it clear? Now we will find the min term and designation for the following. Consider we have the equation x bar, y bar, z, and here a, b bar, c. Question, find the min term designation. Only thing you have to write the designation. What is the designation? See here. Then what is the designation here? X bar, y bar and z. That's why 0, 0, 1. 0, 0 and 1. Then what is the designation for this one? Here 3 variables. Then 3 variables value only you have to see. That is here. When you see the table, here 3 variables. See the value. What is the value there? 001. 001 is nothing but M1. Then write down the designation, that is M1. That's all. Now here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is nothing but M10. This is M1. Just you have to find the designation. For 1 mark, they won't ask this type of question. What are the fundamental products for each of the input variables? Fundamental products for these values. Then you have to write that in SOP form. See the equation, first one ABCD equals the value they are given. Then here only I will substitute. What is the value? Here ABC they are given. A bar, B bar, C, here D bar. For the first part. Then for the second part, 0 we have, that's why A bar, B, C, and then here 0 we have, that is D bar. When they come on the last part, A, B, C, D bar. See here, first 2 bar and then last 1 bar. First one and last 1 bar here. Only for the last one, that is bar. You have to find the SOP form, sum of product form. Then the final expression, A, B bar, C, D bar, plus everything you have to represent it by now, plus operator now. A bar, B, C, D bar, plus A, B, C, D bar. For 1 or 2 marks, you may to get this type of question. That is, you have to find, in the question itself, they will mention what is the value. You have to find only the SOP expression. Now is it clear? Next, consider one more truth table that has the following, that has output 1 for each of these input statements. What are the fundamental products, and write min term expression. Min term expression, now you have to write. In the question itself, they will mention 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, then 1, 0, 0. Then, now write on the values in min term form. First 2 we have zeros, then A bar, B bar, then C, D. Because at the end we have 1, 1. Next, plus here A bar, then B, C bar, D. Second part we are written. Next, plus A, B bar, C bar, D bar. Like this, you can able to find the min term expression. A truth table that has the value, output value. These are the output value. For this, you have to write the min term expression. Okay, these are the things you have studied in this class. Next class, you will come to know regarding the remaining concept of the same chapter, that especially how to find max term and how to solve the max term equation and how to write the max term expression. Everything you will come to know in the next class. Thank you for all of you.